What's up, guys? It's Godzilla Beast 837, and today I am playing the Wolf Online. I haven't played this game for a little while, so it's whatever. What the fuck is this? Can I skip that? No, I can't. Fuck. Oh yeah, I can. Get me out of that bitch. The fuck are you laughing about? Fucking high ass. Oh wait. Oh wait, no. I was texting somebody, but I was screening. Fuck. Shut up. Ah, fucking idiot. What? God damn.
You're overreacting, bro. You're overreacting.
No, bro. Fucking bloated as you are.
What?
I mean, I don't do that.
Ooh.
Shut up. Don't do drugs.
Ooh.
Shut up. Fucking idiot. I'm coming to kill some motherfuckers.
Nigger.
Hey! No. Not allowed. I hear some motherfuckers though. I thought I heard. Oh, wow. That dude dead. I hear y'all bitches. Boom. Take that, fucker. Yeah, come here, bitch. Come at me, motherfucker. You got no shit on me, dude.
Go clap some cheeks.
Dude, shut up.
You want to clap?
No, not now. No, you fucking moron.
We're gonna run a trade.
What the?
Bitch, come over here right now.
Why the fuck should I have someone come over? You bring someone over.
I got someone coming over.
Who?
A random bitch, bro.
Why did I help get me one?
Bro, we're running the train.
Bro, we tweaking right now. Shut up, bro. We tweaking.
Travis. She said she's coming, Travis.
No, she ain't, bro. We're tweaking.
She's coming, Travis. What we gonna do? She texted back. She texted back.
That was a waste of my time. Oh, wait, never mind.
Travis.
What, dude?
She's gonna be here at 11:30.
What?
She's gonna be here at 11:30.
No, she ain't. Prove it.
Hold on.
No, hold on. Like, show me.
Hold on. I'm gonna put my phone in.
I didn't get any of that. Motherfucker. Come here, bitches. I'm gonna fuck y'all in the ass. Come here, Bambi. Oh, that ain't Bambi, but I'm gonna eat this bitch anyways. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Bambi! Oh, you fuckers killed Bambi. Speed. Yeah, motherfucker. Take that, bitch. Take this, you fucker. Quit running, motherfucker. What are you doing, Damien? Fucking ginger. Come here, motherfucker. Fucking ass jockey. Fucker! We just air raped you.
Ooh. Travis, I don't know who I texted.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I don't know who I just texted. Who is that?
I see a bitch ass motherfucker. Come like bitch ass. Oh, skirt! Skirt! Fucker. Da-da-da-da. The fuck? I'm gonna eat that ass. I'm gonna eat it like Christmas Eve, bro. I'm gonna tear that booty up. Come here. Told you to tear that ass up. They never learn. Come here, motherfucker. Where you running off to? Yeah. Fuckers. Fucking Nazis. Oh! Oh, is that a cave? No, that's a wall. I'm an idiot. The fuck? Is that the guy? That ain't him. That ain't him. What's up with all these fuckers? No, that dude did not just heal. Ah, fuck him. Oh, I hear a roaring boy. Come at me, Ginger. Hmm. Yeah. I'm tearing that booty up. I tore that ass up. You failed. Tore that ass up. Man, I'm ripping triple holes in these motherfuckers' asses.
What side you want?
What, dude?
What side you want?
Huh?
What side you want?
What?
What side you want?
What do you mean, what side?
What side you want? The front or the back?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Bro, that bitch, remember?
Yeah, wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're not saying what I think you're saying.
Yeah, bro.
Wait,
she was
wait.
Bro,
What?
she said she down for a cream. Yeah, bro, we'll show you. Hold up.
I got the back then.
Damn. Bro, we gonna switch up?
Yeah, I guess. But we were in the stuff, you know.
You got condoms, bro?
No, I don't. Ask her to bring some.
I don't even know what she got.
Just ask her.
No!
What'd she say?
Before you said you better have condoms.
Damn.
Damn.
Wait, we could go buy some at the store right now.
No, we can't.
Why?
We don't got money.
I got money.
Okay, for real, look. I was like, yo, she's like, hi, like, I got smoke. She's like, what's his name? I said, Travis. She's like, last name Wetzel. I don't know if she knows you or not. Her name's Tracy McFarland. Oh, okay. So you
Hello, what the fuck?
It's like, what can you get here? Okay. She like, you better have gotten Travis. What we gonna do? We need
Dude, I go buy
condoms.
some right now.
Travis,
Alright, guys.
You're still recording.
I know. Guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to put that notification bell on. And I gotta go because people need me. Alright. Peace.